Hey, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Eddie Harvey here from TradeWithEd.com. Forex trading routine. Guys, when it comes to trading, a routine is absolutely something you should definitely have. Similar to just like anything in life, guys, if you are going to trade, you're going to find more discipline, more results in having a consistent routine that you follow on a daily basis. So a daily routine, what should it look like for you if you are a Forex trader? Now, it varies for everybody. You get some people that can trade any time of the day, anywhere, and just take setups and trades. And that is absolutely possible and doable, especially depending on what it is. Like if you're taking trading setups, then when those come in, you just grab them, take them, and boom, you enter into the market. Or it could have been, you've already done some charting and things like that. And then once all of your technicals line up and where it looks prime and right for you to enter the market, you can get in. But what if it's like you're ready to start your trading day? I believe that's what a person is seeking out information on. What should that look like on a daily basis? Well, here's the first thing I think you should establish is what time of the day are you going to trade? So what session are you going to trade during? Are you a person who's going to trade during a London session? Are you going to trade during New York, Asia, or Australia session? And you got to find out what works best for your schedule. That's probably part of what can impact it. Maybe you're a person who works a second shift job. So meaning you're going to be at work probably like from 3 p.m. to 11 p.m. So it's something like London session may work best for you, or a New York session. It just depends. So you got to find out what session is going to work best for you. Then from there, you want to make sure you get yourself into a routine of making sure you're focused, guys, because having success in trading, what I've come to realize happens best when you're in an environment where there are no distractions. You can completely focus on the markets and look at what you're doing, because if you're marking up charts to prepare yourself for what you're seeing in the market, if there are so many distractions around you, how are you going to know if this is the proper analysis you have and what's going on? And then you do it enough, yeah, you can do it, but trading is a very, very cerebral, mental game, and most of it is, over 90% of it is mental, because the physical part is you just clicking a few buttons and enter into a setup or marking up chart. So mental is where it's at. So to have the right mentality, the right mindset, you want to make sure that in your routine, you want to make sure that you know what sessions are best for you. What is the best session for you to trade starting out? Then now when you getting set up, guys, you want to make sure, like I said, that you're in a space where it's quiet, clear, it's concise. You're able to be precise and focused. Then from there, you want to set the mood for you. Maybe you're a person who likes to burn incense to get your mind clear. Maybe you want to meditate before you start. You got to find out what works best for you. Then another thing that's important for me is that I like to have a certain type of music playing. I like a more chill, relaxed, mellow tune to get my energy levels mellow. And when I'm chilling, sometimes I'll switch it up, depending on how I'm feeling. I might be dragging a little bit and I need my energy level to be higher. So then I'll throw on me some rap, some hip hop or something. It just depends. But for the most part, my music is chill, laid back, because it's going to mentally have me in a relaxed state to where I'm clear and I'm able to focus and I'm not rushing anything, and I'm looking at the markets the right way, and I can trade most efficiently and effectively for me like that. And then from there, guys, even in that time frame, even in what session you're going to trade, try to pick the same time of day that you're trading. I just think that's just a personal opinion of mine. Pick the same type of time of day, guys. So if you're going to trade at 10 p.m., try to trade at 10 p.m. every day you're trading. And then maybe you trade twice a day. If you're going to trade, maybe it's 10 a.m. and then 10 p.m. You're marking up charts and looking at the market. So make sure you keep that time concise, because it's going to give you a rhythm. You're going to get in a space of, okay, boom, 10 o'clock, I know what I'm doing. My time is clear. I'm focused. Now I'm able to mark up charts. Now I'm able to take setups or put myself in position to take the best setups. Okay, so pretty much that's what it boils down to. And remain consistent. Don't do it. You can't do it in 1 or 2 days. You got to get into your routine and make sure you're consistent with it, guys. And then from there, just keep doing it and continue to do it, and continue to work on yourself, work on improvement. Another thing I would say to include in your routine, guys, is marking up charts. So that goes without saying. It's like playing a sport. The way you get better at that sport is continuously doing that thing over and over again. The more you mark up charts, the better you are going to see the charts, better be able to read your strategy, better to know what's going on. This is going to make things that much more simple for you. You know, it might seem kind of nerdy, but it's cool. You're talking about a $5.3 trillion per day market. Guys, do what you got to do to make it happen. All right. So with that being said, guys, I hope you all got some value from these tips I just shared. It can help you implement your routine, tweak your routine. Maybe I added some things I said to put into what you're doing. Okay, so, but for those of you watching this and you might not have a routine, you want to learn about Forex and really don't know where to start, where to go, who to lean onto, and what should you be doing, and anything related to Forex, guys, you just want to know, how can I get started? How can I make it happen? And if that is you guys, click the link below this video. Simply go to tradewithed.com to find out more about the platform that I utilize, who they are, what they do, what they have their hands on, and how you can put yourself in position to learn from this platform and also put yourself in position to potentially earn from this platform utilizing the tools and strategies made available to the customers of it. All right. So with that being said, guys, I appreciate you watching. Once again, hope you got value. I will talk to you all later. Take care. Have a great day.